this, here's a nice rusty spot here. We'll give it a try. And you can see how it really just takes it off the metal. Not everybody has access to a sandblaster, but in a short period of time you can see what a difference it makes, and it'll help you get more money on your sales. So just a little tip that I use.
This process kicks the rust up into the air, so it's a good idea to wear a dust mask or a respirator. Work back and forth over the rust, trying to keep the wire wheel flat on the cast iron surface. Keep the brush moving to avoid pitting the surface with deep circular scratches.
Then switch to 400 grit sandpaper on a sanding pad or any flat block to remove any circular scratches that might have resulted from the wire brush and drill. Finally, spray on some Shield T9 rust preventer and spread it around with a clean rag. Well, there we have it. Coat of Shield on this just seals it and protects it. Hopefully it won't get this bad again. Put all this on our cast iron tools, and this joiner and this table saw are ready to go.